Yes, I like to go holidays. I want to go and visit to know about the history of the country, and also come and if people ask me about the country, I can able to explain about what I see.
Yes, I would like to go on holidays. I want to go and know about England and visit about England. I know the history going there, and I know the kind of life going there.
I would like to go to holidays in England.
Yes, I like to go on holidays to know much about England.
Yes, I would like to go for holiday to England to see how they rule their country.
Yes, I want to go UK and look how the country is like.
Yes, I want to go to USA to see how different their country and mine is. What is the difference between their country and mine before?